Hey everyone, I'm Jamin with Kingdom Camping. If you're new to this channel, we build camping trailers that are ready for off-road and off-grid use. We have an off-road independent suspension, we have solar on the roof, and we have lithium batteries with low voltage appliances that power our trailers for the ultimate off-grid adventures. This trailer has some neat features like our metal logos along with our mountain graphics, and we have a new kitchen layout here in the rear using our teak cabinetry. For those of you who are new, I'm going to do a quick walk around, show what we have up front here. Is a DO35 hitch Cruisemaster, a 7-pin. There's a handbrake to lock your camper in place. There's a breakaway brake switch. There's DC to DC charging cable that hooks up to our Redarc system. That's a great way to charge your battery. We've got a nice ARC off-road hitch jack up here up front, and short charging plug here is another way to charge the Redarc system along with the solar on the roof. You can see, of course, we include the spare tire here. You have the nice moon gazer window up top along with an off-road light bar. And here you can see the solar and the Dometic 12-volt air conditioner on the roof. Right here on our front passenger side of the toolbox is where all the Redarc electronics are kept. So standard, we have a 1500 watt inverter. We have the Manager 30 kit, which includes the charger, does solar, shore, and DC to DC charging. And we have all our fuses up here. These are Bluetooth and on the display screen inside. Along the side here, you can see the nice rock sliders along with the ARC drop down stabilizer jacks. These you pull on, they drop down into place, and there's a hand crank that can lower this to the ground. Got the nice metal logos here on the side for this client, and you can see the door has the dual pane acrylic window option. Here along the side you see the dual pane window going to the inside. We've got our durable fender here that serves as a step to get up on the roof, our off-road all-terrain tires, and the Cruisemaster off-road suspension. The cooktop is an LP gas 2-burner Dometic cooktop. The cooktop has this nice little extension for setting your cooking utensils or food here on the side. When you go to store this, you can pull this up and out. You fold this down, push on the blue tabs here on the side, and that'll slide in underneath and click in the lock position like that. Up top here is a good spot to store this extra tray in the overhead. Lay that in along with the gas hose. Top. In the kitchen you see this fold down counter. Now this serves as an extra prep surface or storage space when the fridge is out. Has a magnet here that holds it up. When you're ready to slide in the fridge, you just push that up out of the way. Now to slide in the fridge, you push on the yellow tabs, and that slides in and will lock in the in position like that. This carabiner and cable hold the door at a 45-degree angle. So you can use it as a shelf, or you can remove this and store it away when you go to close the door, like so. One thing you notice on these doors, they have a triple seal. So the inside, the back side of the door, and the outside of the door have rubber seals for a great seal when you shut the doors, along with the latches that have a tension lock that slide and suck in tight. So all those seals are nice and tight. When you shut the door, there's no water or dust intrusion. Now in this kitchen, we specially created these cabinets a little bit taller, so they have over an 8-inch opening. With doing that, we had to move our speaker down here to the side where it's nice and accessible. We have an outlet here. We've got our light switch here for the light up top, and our traditional stainless steel sink, backsplash, and then we added a double door here. This client wanted some extra shelving space, and we only have one slide on this one here on the bottom where you can easily see in from the outside. Here on the back, of course, you got your normal lighting, reverse lighting, your license plate holder, and a 2-inch hitch that's rated about 300 pounds. If you want to have an extension, have a bike rack, or use a step here to get to the overheads or something like that. Along the side is our furnace outlet, shower, and water inlet. We have an awning up top on this one and 180 on the driver's side. Here in the front driver's side compartment of the toolbox, you see the LP gas, which is a 20-pound tank. We use a 20-pound because they're easily interchangeable at a gas station. You can drop it off empty and pick up a full one and go without having to wait to refill or find a place to refill it. I want to take the time and show you this shore charge is just a typical 110 volt plug with a cord that you can plug into like your garage or your house outlet, and that's going to charge your battery. Coming inside the trailer here, you can see the window's got the shade. It's got a bug screen, and you have the ability to open that window. There's nice little key cards that can lock and unlock the door along with traditional keys. The cabinetry here swings inward, so that allows you to reach into your cabinetry, get anything you need from the outside of the trailer without having to hop inside, so that makes it convenient. Now, hopping in this trailer, you can use the step here, grab the doorway, and easy to get inside. Up front, you have your display that shows, got your television, your Redarc display that has all your information. Here you can see it's charging from shore power, about 32 amps an hour, and it's got all your light switches, your outside lights, your inside lights, your water pump, inverter, furnace. You go down, you have your light bar in the front, and this is electric tank heater. This is your fresh tank level. That's empty right now, so you can see everything that's going on, your temperatures, everything that's going on with the camper here. Below that is the furnace display, the sensor for that. Up top here we have wireless chargers, so you can actually put your phone here, and that's going to start charging just by laying it on top there. And if you open these up, you'll see an A and C type USB outlet, so for like an iPhone or a typical USB plug. Now this moon gazer window, you see here the bug screen, shade, and you can open this to allow for a nice breeze to come in like that. When you push it all the way up, it releases and comes back down, and you lock it into place like so. Down below here you have some extra storage, about a good size for shoes. Up top you have your smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector combo. You've got some nice cabinetry up top here, plenty of room, store clothes. Up on top you see the Dometic 12 volt air conditioner, so that runs off the 300 amp hour lithium battery and keeps this camper cool when it's cold, when it's hot outside. And it has a low draw, and the cabin's very well insulated. So this is one of few brands out there that can actually cool their camper completely off the grid and be sustainable. Here you can see the nice plush bunk mattress here. So this is a child bunk, or it can be used for storage. There's a netting here in the front for more storage, and this actually folds up out of the way. Has latches on the side that locks up out of the way when you're not needing to have that down, and this netting can easily be removed like so. Now this floor space has this memory foam mattress that it's still in the packaging, but it'll end up covering the whole floor, and it folds up into a trifold sofa. The sleeping area is 78 by 59, so it's practically a queen size sleeping area, so actually quite roomy for all these taller people out there. Thank you for following along. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so you can get more content in the future. And like always, thank you for following along. You liking and sharing this content really does help us out, and we appreciate that. If you want to order a trailer like this, simply get in touch with us. We'll go over the details. You'll place a deposit and get on our build list, and within several months you'll have your own trailer just like this. I'm Jamin with Kingdom Camping, and I'll see you next time.